Good morning, class. Okay, so today we will do revision on your science. Until your first unit test is over, we will go revision only the notes. Okay. So far we have finished your lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. So till these 6 lessons will come for your first unit test. And lesson number 1, 2, and 3 is already done, so we will just do revision on 4, 6, and 7. Okay, and before that I want you all to take out your notes, your science notes, books and copy, okay, together. And while we go through the notes, please try to listen carefully and make correction, okay, the spellings and all, the words and all. Okay, now we will do on lesson 4, that is the world of birds. Turn to your exercise number 1. The first one, that is fill in the blank. Number 1, birds use their beaks to dash and dash food. The answer, catch and eat. Catch and eat. Number 2, a woodpecker has a strong dash shaped beak which help it to poke holes into the tree trunk and dash out insects from the hole. The answer, chisel and pull. CHISEL, chisel, pull. Number 3, dash feathers are small and fluffy, present under the contour feathers. The answer, down feathers. Now, next page. Number 4, eagles, hawks, and vultures have very sharp claws called dash. The answer, talons. TALONS. Okay. Number 5, a cuckoo lays its egg in a dash nest and the mother crow looks after the baby cuckoos. The answer is crow. Now comes to your question answer. Exercise 3, that is answer the following questions. Number 1, what kind of beaks do insect-eating birds have? The answer, 1, insect-eating birds have strong chisel-shaped beaks. Okay. Number 4, 2 and 3 no need to do, as I've already told you. Now 4, what help birds change their direction while flying in the air? For answer, the upstrokes and downstrokes of the wings of birds helps them to change their direction while flying in the air. Number 5, what are the 4 kinds of feathers and how do they help the birds? The answer, the 4 kinds of feathers are, point number 1, that is flight feathers. They are found in the wings and tail of the bird. They are long and flat feathers which help a bird to fly. Point number 2, down feathers. These are small and fluffy, present under the contour, CONTOUR, contour feathers, it keeps the bird warm. Point number 3, body feathers. These THESE, okay, these feathers cover the entire entire body of a bird. Point number 4, tail feathers. A bird uses its tail feathers for steering, 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 and braking, BRAKING, braking. Number 6, what are the materials a bird generally uses to build its nest? The answer, the materials that bird generally use to build, build its nest are, point A, leaves, straws, twigs, wool, cotton, and thread, etc. And one question I have given you, that is extra question. Draw the 4 different type of feathers and color it. That is in your page, in your book. So this will come in your exam, okay? Even the diagram. Now your lesson number 6, that is staying healthy. First one, that is fill in the blank. 1. Food give us dash, that is energy. Number 2. Chips, burgers and pizzas are called dash food, that is junk food. Number 3. There are dash main food groups in the food pyramid, that is 6. Number 4. We should drink enough dash water. Number 4 answer, water. 5. Dash food helps us to grow. The answer, growth food. Now exercise 2, answer the following questions. The first one, why do we need to eat food? The answer, we need to eat food to get energy and to stay alive, healthy and grow. Number 2, name some foods that are good for health. The answer, some foods that are good for health are A. Fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk and milk products. Number 3. Into how many types can food be divided? What is the function of each type? The answer, food can be divided into many types depending on the functions. Some of the functions of food types are: number 1, energy giving foods. Its function is to give us energy to work and play. Example, bread, rice, oats, etc. Point number 2, growth foods. It helps our body to grow. Example, milk, meat, beans and pulses. Point number 3, protective foods. It keeps us fit, F-I-T, fit and healthy and protect us from diseases. Example, fruits and vegetables. Try to write like this, okay? There are 2 types of question in number 3. See, according to points, this line separate, this different and this point. Number 4, what is a balanced diet? Important questions. Answer, a diet that contains the right amount of energy giving, growth and protective food is called a balanced diet. Now number 5, write down any 4 healthy eating habits. Any 4. Answer, 4 healthy eating habits are: point A, drink enough water. Number B, keep your food covered. C, wash your hand before eating. Number D, brush your teeth after eating. Okay, now exercise 3, that is name any 2 food which help in each of the following. 1 is providing energy to work and play. The answer, you can write banana, bread. Number 2, growing tall and strong. Milk, meat. Number 3, preventing cold and fever. The answer, apple, garlic. There are so many loads of food, okay? But you have to mention only 2. Next, now your lesson number 7, housing and clothing. Exercise 1, fill in the blank. Number 1, houses built on a raised platform are called dash houses. The answer, stilt. Number 2, a tent, caravan and a houseboat are dash houses. The answer, temporary house. Number 3, Find dash on doors, windows and ventilators stop the entry of insects in the house. The answer, wire nets. Okay. Now, number 4, we get wool from dash. That is sheep. Alright. Number 3, nylon and polyester are made of dash fibers. It is synthetic. Synthetic. Next, number 6, thick woolen clothes keep us dash in winter. It is warm. Now, name the following. Any 4 building materials. You can write. Number 1 is brick, steel, cement, wood. Number 2, 3 natural fibers. Cotton, linen, wool. Number 3, 2 synthetic fibers, that is man-made things. The answer, nylon, polyester. Number 4, 3 temporary type of houses. Tent, stilt and caravan. Now answer the following questions. Number 1, why do people make stilt houses in areas having heavy rainfall? The answer, one answer, to protect them from rainwater and insects. Number 2, write 2 ways by which you can keep your house clean. There are so many ways, but let's discuss only 2. That is, 2 ways to keep our house clean are: number A, sweep the house and washed daily. Point number B, throw the waste in the dustbin. Question number 3, why do we wear white cotton clothes in summer? White cotton clothes absorb less heat. Full stop. Next line. We feel cool and comfortable in white cotton clothes. Number 4, how woolen clothes keep us warm? The answer, woolen clothes keep us warm as it is thick and air does not circulate easily. And one more question I have given you, that is, name the different type of house. The answer, they are A, kacha house, B, pakka house, C, igloo, D, stilt house, E, tent, F, caravan, G, houseboat, and number H is sloping roof house. Okay, so that is the revision for your first unit test. Listen carefully and make correction properly. Okay.